Hello, in this video I will show you how to link your Google Calendar with Google Sheets. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is open Google Sheets and over there, simply form a table that you would like on the calendar. Like as you can see right over here. Now, in order to add your start date time and end date time, you will need to create a data. So firstly, just simply let me remove the data over here. Now in order to do that, just simply highlight the start date, then click on data. Now choose data validation. Now add rule. Now right over here, just apply the rule. So let's say D2. And now right over here, just choose validates and reject the input. So it will only choose validates. Now click on done. All you have to do is just double click on it and you can choose the date from your calendar. So let's say for example, 4th right over here. Now, if you want, you can do this for all of them. Like for example, for start time, end date and end time. Again, just simply highlight it. Go to data and do the same thing. Now once we'll do this, the next step that you have to do is you have to click on the extension option right over here. Then go to the add-ons. Then click on get add-ons. Now over here in the add-on section, you will have to search for an extension called Calendar Event Creator. So just search that. Now just simply hit enter. Now just install the extension right over here. Click on install, click on continue. Now wait for a few seconds. Choose your proper account that your Google Sheet is linked with, as you can see right over here. Click on allow. Now wait for a few seconds. Now once it is done, click on done right over here. And now once it is done, you have to set up the extension. So go to extension. Click on the calendar event creator, then click on setup. Now wait for a few seconds. And now this panel will appear over here. Now the first thing that you have to do is you have to enter the event title. So the event title is going to be the meeting title over here. So just simply specify the column. Now over here, after that, you have to enter your start date and end date. So you have to first remove the all date option and choose your start date and time, then end date and time. So do that process over here. Now over here, click on this email address and choose the proper email address that you have. You can also color the event for better understanding. Now you can also add location and description if you want to. It's totally up to you. And in the end, you can just simply add guest if you want to. If you choose this option, you can add guest and you can add the column for them as well. But for me, I don't want them. Now in the end, all you have to do is click on apply settings. Now wait for a few seconds. Now right over here, you should find the option called view event that will redirect you to the calendar. So just simply click on that option and then right over there, you should see your event. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.